How to get barrier block in Minecraft. So first, just simply make sure to have your cheats and commands enabled. And once that's done, just open up your command and chat right here. And just simply type in give, then your username, and just type in barrier, just like so. And just click on enter. And now as you can see, I now have the command block, and you could just right click on the ground or anywhere to put the block right here, and it'll just follow you around where you go, so it always faces you. And if you have your barrier block on your hand, you will see you have the vision on the barrier block, but if you remove it from your hand, as you can see, after some time it will be invisible. But if I go back right here, I now have it again, and if I go back to my hand right here, you could just wait for some time and it will go invisible, and you can't go through it. As you can see, it will not go through, even though if it's invisible right there, but you could break it in creative, but in survival you cannot break it. So as you can see, now just make sure to have it right there, and now it's gone, as you can see. That's how you basically get the barrier block in Minecraft.